Hey Peace Babes, if you like thrifting, flipping, crafting, and upcycling, then you've come to the right place. Skylar picked this little thing up for me. We got it for $10. It is the cheapest and the closest that we've found that somebody else hasn't gotten to first. I'm gonna fix it up and that's it. Ah! Ooh.
Critters?
Gross. Oh, ew!
Is there a bug?
It's not a bug, Mom.
A mouse?
Mold.
What is it?
I am not sure, but it kind of looks like a little tiny skeleton.
Oh!
No.
Come and look at it. So to get the steering wheel off, you have to push these little buttons and pull it out the other way, but I need both hands. So you push this button and this button in, and then you pull it out this way. Good news, it's just plastic shavings down in there. I'm gonna sand this up real quick, just with this little sander here, so that it'll be easier for the paint to stick to it. Okay, it is sanded. I got as much of the shine off as I could. There are some places that the sander couldn't get. I'm not gonna be super worried about those just because those places I think are also going to be difficult to get to biff up anyway. And I do recommend you wear eye and ear protection. I should have. But there it is. I've got some Lysol water here and I'm just gonna wipe it down real good. You may be wondering why I'm not taking it apart, and that is because I was told that these particular things are difficult to remove without damaging them. So I'm just going to be taping and plasticking off pieces, but I think it shouldn't be too hard. I decided kind of late in the game to take these bolts off of the front and the back. We're going to try to fill the holes in and then paint over them. Now that it's already got 2 coats of paint on it. Dang it. Dang it. Skylar, did you take the ones on the back off too? You're the best. I have some extra plastic around the hole, so I'm just gonna dig it out with this razor blade. It's hard to do with only one hand, but I already did it over here, and then I'm gonna fill it. I should have done that on the front too. After some manipulating, it looks pretty good.
Told you.
Before, after.
You don't need it?
Just using the tip of the gun because it's hot to go over. Hey there. Boo. Yeah, we can't push it around. It's all wrapped in bags. After it's done. Alright. After it's done, you can play with it, okay?
Oh.
Say, okay, Mama.
Okay.
Okay. I want the seat white, and I think I'm gonna do the bumper white and then obviously the top and the V on the front. Pretty good job at taping this one except for right here, but I learned a thing or two, so I'm just gonna get a little bit of acetone and a cotton ball and get that off. This tape is not sticking to my spray painted surface. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get acrylics and then I'm gonna spray a clear coat over the top of it. I think I'll still spray paint the top white, and then it'll be easier to not make a terrible spray paint mess. Whoa!
What a freaking cutie.
Okay, so my lines aren't super crisp, but that's okay because I'm gonna put some trim around it. And in here, it's as good as it's gonna get. My dad is a car guy and he suggested doing the red detailing in the seat to make it look more legit. So he knows stuff and I listened. I just did a clear coat to keep it from scratching because I am going to paint the top white as well, but that will be done with spray paint. And I didn't want the acrylic to scratch in the meantime, especially since Indy's been playing with it already. Ready for some white spray paint. Wow, I think that's gonna take a lot of coats. Taking me to a pick and pull to find a Volkswagen symbol. Thanks.
You're welcome.
First car I see. That's the one I want.
Wait, I don't think we can take that.
This guy right here, why not? Nailed it.
That was easy.
88 for that guy. I'm gonna attempt to paint the hubcaps silver. Okay, Skylar cut me out some circles so that I can give these wheels some white walls. Alright, so I've got double-sided tape on this side so that hopefully I can just stick it right on the wheel here. Perfect. And then put this guy on here, and I'll have to hold it while I spray so that it is where I want it, but it should be good. I was gonna do this with spray paint, but acrylics are just so much easier, so hopefully this works. The wheels are done, and now I'm gonna go outside and do a clear coat. I am not going to film that because you know what it looks like, and it's the middle of the night and it's freezing, so I'm just gonna do it as fast as I can because the garage is now off limits for those kinds of things. For some reason, every time I move this, I get a little pile of sand.
No.
It's okay. The moment we've all been waiting for, or I have been waiting for this for a very long time. I get to put all of the fancy stuff on it and make it super cute. I'll put the link for all the things in the description below. So this stuff has plastic on the shiny part and a peel off for the sticky on the back that you don't peel off. Nope, don't do that. That is the sticky. Peel off the red part, not the white part. There, like that. So apparently that white stuff sticks or unsticks to the silver stuff really easy, and it really sticks to your fingers real good. This is gonna be an issue. Oh dear. But not least, I'm gonna steal this lid from this prescription bottle, and I'm gonna fill this outside with glue so that it has something to stick to the car with.
Now, wife.
Just
That.
like that. Whoa! See, Andy?
One of these ones.
Wow! Is that cute?